Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz A Class 2.0 A250 AMG Premium 7G-DCT 4MATIC. Which is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Cirrus white gloss. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch AMG multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Cirrus white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at your rear seats, you can find the AMG exclusive leather in lava black. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you have that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've found this position, you are also able to save it as they are memory seats as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and buttons to control your information panel, and on your steering column you have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 59,791 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have FM radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. And you also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days, and as well as this you also have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz A Class 2.0 A250 AMG Premium 7G-DCT 4MATIC that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.